Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be diving into Narnia series on the OverTheWire, which is designed to sharpen your cybersecurity skills. To be more specific, some kinds of exploitation skills. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Now, let's jump in and start hacking away through this Narnia series. The level I'm going to do will be level 3. So then we can head over to Linux. We can use SSH. Let me grab the history command and press enter. And we are required to provide its password of a current user. We can copy it from notebook. Now we are in the target machine. We can press keys Ctrl Shift and L at the same time to clear the screen. Then we can get bigger space on the window. And next, without any hesitation, we can CD or navigate into working directory of this series, Narnia. And we can run ls with options of ALH altogether. Since we're dealing with the level 3, so I think we can take a look at its source code beneath this binary. Get out Narnia 3. And so here, the first few lines are to import some header files, and then this is the main function. And this main function will take 2 arguments. First is count of argument, and then is the argument itself. And then we'll define the integer variables. So I think this should be the pointer to input file and pointer to output file. Next, define the variable of, I think this should be output file, but this is set to fixed value. You know, this is some kinds of a special device, like a black hole. And next, define the variable input file, and its size is 32. Next, another buffer variable. If we didn't specify the argument, and then we'll print out the usage, okay? And open files, and then make a copy. So we'll get the content of the argument, this is the file, to be retrieved and put into the, input file. Next, we'll open this file, output file. Also, of course, this file should have read and write permission. Otherwise, we'll get the error. Next, we'll open the input file and check the permission. This should have read permission, and then copy file from file 1 to file 2. Okay? So I think we can I think it's disconnected. I don't know. The timeout is so short. We can copy, paste in here. We can run like Narnia 3. Which, for example, if we didn't specify any argument, and we'll get the error or usage. For example, we can run. We try to use this binary to get the password for the next level, Narnia, pass Narnia 4. and then we copied contents of this file to a safer place. Although this program is working properly, however, because the contents have been moved to this device, and we cannot retrieve. This is a very special device or special file. Like a black hole, we cannot retrieve data from this file. Okay, so how to do? So I think let's scroll back. Here also the string copy function, and this didn't make check on the argument. So I think it's possible to overflow this space. And also here, because the output file is declared first and then input file. So if we can have some means to overflow this, this area or this section, and overwritten or additional data will be put into this area. Maybe I'd like to draw some figure. So here would be, the stack will, stack store data is like this way. Declare first, and then, maybe I can call it FIFO, first in and first out. So here should be ifile, because it's, this should be output file, and then here there should be input file. And here has size of 32 bytes. So if we can overflow this area, and additional data will be written into this one. And this one now originally or initially will save this data. We can copy. And paste over here. And, if we need to overwrite this area by our own path, or overwrite this, this path, because we cannot retrieve data from the now device. And so this is what we are going to do. However, how to do it? Let me reconnect. And we can create temporary directory with command mk temp with object of D, and then we can cd to this directory. And also we need to make this directory with full permissions. Otherwise, you will get the permission error. Okay. Now we need to create. The path. And so here we need to create the path to overflow this area, 32. And right now, this path has already occupied how long? Also, we need to use the slash, the 20. So it means that we need to create directory which has a length of 20 characters. Okay, make there are, and we can use Python subshell to create this name, very long name. You can use any character. We can print, and this should be 20, okay? Because 20 and plus, sorry, here's 20. We not 20. This should be 12, because if you check its source code, yeah, here should be 32 bytes, okay? So now, what can we do? We can, and, okay? And also, you know, so this part and the long strings consists of of course, any character. This doesn't matter. But for simplicity, we can use A to create this long name. And we also, so remaining parts would be, would be set or would be overwritten to this area. For example, we can create another temp, because the temp directory we have permission. And also, of course, here, this directory doesn't exist right now. And sorry. So if you want to create multi-layers of directory, you need to use option of -P. Okay. Let's press enter. Now, this directory has been created, and also its subdirectory. Now, we can create a simple link to the Narnia 4 password level. Okay, so we can use LNS. This should be simple link or soft link. Tag Narnia, and so Narnia 4, and we can copy this length and the temp, and also we can use, of course we can use any file name like a JSON, and it's done. You can check. Okay. So now also, we need to create a file for output file. And this is very easy. We can touch and temp. This temp is different from this temp. And JSON. Okay. So now if we run Narnia 3, and we fit this long path, and this part, this part would be overflow this area, and the remaining would be this one, temp, JSON, and this would be set to output file. Yeah, here, output file. And also, because we purposefully use the temp directory, and we have permission to, access this directory. Let me press enter. So copied content of this file and to this file. So then we can cut out this file. Okay, we successfully retrieved the password for the next level. So I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.